In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compress a PDF file size in iLovePDF. This is very drag and drop websites. It's totally free of cost. You don't need to spend any single money on here. So just going on Google, then here type iLovePDF. I hope you are found this website. Just going, then click organize PDF. So here is you can see number 3 option, compress PDF. So I need to upload here. Then I choose this PDF. You can see this current is size 905 KB. So I want to open. Okay. So compressions level. This website recommend me number 2 good quality good compressions, and number 3 less compressions, high quality less compressions. So I need good quality. So I recommended use number 2. Then click compress PDF. Wow, you can see before compressions my file was size was 884. This is not true. My file size was 905 and currently it's 139 KB only. It's amazing. And click on this download. You can see it's already download completed 140 KB. This is amazing. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you again.